welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a natural hair wig and this one's on the affordable side. It's from CurlsCurls. I've received quite a few requests to do videos on their hair. This one's in the natural curly texture and it's so beautiful. It's actually hair type 3B, 3C. I got mine in color 1B and y'all look at the lace on this wig. It is transparent lace and this is going to be an install that we can wear completely glueless. It does come with combs and it also comes with a package that has your elastic band and additional combs and also clips, but I'm going to show you all how I install this unit 100% glueless. So this is what the lace looks like up close. It does give a good amount of coverage along my hairline, and you all know I have a low hairline, so I always look for that. These curls are really beautiful, y'all. I did get mine in length 18, and if you were to get a shorter length, this particular unit starts at $219. That is very affordable for a natural hair wig. This unit comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and I'm going to show you all that now as I put it on the mannequin head. It is a lace front construction, so you are going to have free parting, and it does come with about 5 inches of parting space, which is really good. So this is what it looks like right out of the package. I'm going to do a full spin so you all can see the completed look. I don't believe it has any layers or anything in there, but you can certainly cut and shape it the way that you desire it. Now I'm just going to co-wash the hair using the Total Miracle by Aussie. I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood denim brush in order to define the curls. I like to do this whenever I wash any curly or natural hair textured wigs. So I'm just going to do this, and then after doing so, I'm going to rinse out the conditioner and then I'm going to follow it up with my styler.
Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over?
So now that I've co-washed the hair, this is what the hair looks like without any product in it. And I like to use a microfiber towel in order to dry the hair some. And then I'm going to apply my styler. I'm going to be using the Sleek and Shine by Garnier Fructis, and that's their leave-in conditioner along with their serum.
Girl, I wanna roll up on ya, yeah. I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya, yeah. Can I roll up on ya? Cause you said you always yeah. Pick up when I call you, yeah. You said you always yeah. Hold me down when I call you, yeah. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate. You still running and I'm chasing.
I allow the hair to dry overnight, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. You could go in and add more of the serum or add an oil to the hair, but I felt like it looked good the way that it is. You also don't have to allow the hair to air dry. You could use a diffuser, and that's going to help to shrink the curls a bit, because right now they are a bit elongated because I did allow it to air dry, but diffusing the curls does give you a more defined and also a shrunken look if that's what you're going for. So now I'm just cutting the lace off in the front, and as you can see, y'all, when I put this unit on, it's going to blend so nicely. It's going to melt right into the skin, and I love how flat it already lays. But before I put it on, I am going to go in with my MAC face powder, and I'm going to put that on the opposite side. So I'm just going to put that on the lace, and that's going to give me a really nice color before applying it to my head. Okay, so now it's time to install, and I'm going to show you guys how you can wear it 100% glueless. I've been getting some comments that were asking me about if I'm trying to grow my hair, then why am I using gel, and also why am I using wig glue? I don't use wig glue. I've shared that in many of my videos, but as you can see, look at this lace. Like, it looks so good. It already has the melted lace look in the front near the parting area, which is really good. So the only area that you really have to be concerned about is the sides. So now I'm just gonna go into the part and just refine that a bit. But just getting back to what I was sharing, I don't use wig glue. I usually use gel. Now for me, gel doesn't bother my edges. My edges are still strong. I've been using gel for a long while and my edges are perfectly fine. Now, if that's not the case for you, then this would be a great option. Get a unit that has transparent lace that also has a really natural look, because you can actually wear your edges. If you're someone who is natural like me, you can just make sure that your edges are nice and sleek, pull some of the hair out, and then take a bobby pin and you're going to place that bobby pin just behind the sideburn hair that you pulled out. And that's going to keep it secure. It's also going to look natural and realistic. Another option would be to just sew on an elastic band, but for me, this is the easiest method. If you don't know how to sew an elastic band, just get you some bobby pins and just pin it in place. And y'all, it looks so natural. This unit is so bomb. I love everything about it. And if you don't particularly like this length, then go for something shorter. Go for length 12, length 14. That's gonna look really good as well. So right now I'm just picking the hair out and just making sure it has much more volume, because y'all know I love big hair and I love for it to look really voluminous. So I'm just doing that now, and then we're gonna be finished, guys. This install was so easy and it looks so amazing.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane.
All right, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all enjoyed this natural hair glueless wig install. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Check the description for all the links and specifications, and I'll see you all in my next one. I'm about to go get comfortable, y'all. Bye.